Who can't hear will feed. Seeing blind, hear and deaf. Last man reach a batty man. No, Jamaicans, yo. You know the choppers. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyreek. Wait, pause. I got too much damn YouTube channels. Damn, this intro all over the place. Dude. Ooh, I can see clearly now. What's good, YouTube? We're back with a video for you guys. So today we got some Jamaican slangs for you all. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe if you're new over here. Watch the full video. Leave a like, share with your friends, and tell them to come watch some mumble class video. Anyways. Anyways, guys, so we have some Jamaican slangs for you all today. Let's get straight into this video right now. Enough of the excitement. Let's get straight to this video. First up on the list, who can't hear will feel. This is for those with the hard hears kids. Like, when I say hard hears, I mean kids who don't listen. You feel me? So if you're not listening, who can't hear will feel. If you can't hear, basically, you don't listen to your parents talk to you, you're gonna get the ass whooping, boy. You're gonna get the ass bit. Like, behave yourself. Calm it down. Chill. Okay? Yes. You get it? You understand it? Let's get some more on there. All who beg nah get, all who no beg. It doesn't go like that shit. Who beg nah get, who no beg no want. Basically what I just said. So I said who beg nah get, who no beg no want. Now beg means ask for something. You ask, so can I get some of your food, please? Beg basically means asking someone for some of their food or something. Asking for something. So say I got some food. I gotta explain it, right? I got some food. Can I get some of your food? No! You're not getting any. And if you don't ask me for some of my food, basically you don't want any. So basically the saying says, who beg, nah get. So if you ask me for something, you're not getting it. Who no beg, who doesn't ask, nah get, is not getting any. You get it? Yeah, you got it. What the hell am I doing, bro? Chill, calm down. Shout out to my birthday gift right here, you feel me? Ooh. Next up on the list, see and blind, hear and deaf. See and blind, hear and deaf. Basically what this means, this is self-explanatory by the way. Basically what this means is, if you see me killing a man, blind, you don't see, don't tell the police. If you hear me clapping someone's cheeks in the next room, deaf, you didn't hear anything, don't tell anybody. Basically that's what it means. You're gonna see, but you didn't see it. You're gonna hear, but you didn't hear it. See and blind, hear and deaf. Gotcha. Next up on the list, if I dirt, I dirt. Simply put, if you're gonna fight, you're gonna fight. You understand me? But that's not really yeah. It is what it is. If you nobody really use, I don't really use that. If you're not a bad man thing, that's for the gangs. That's for the anyways, next up we have when trouble take you, pick me short fit you. Who's texting us? Big up yourself. When trouble take you, pick me short fit you. Basically what this means is like, say you got in some trouble with the police, right? I can't explain this one. When trouble take a picture with you. You're in trouble and you do anything to get out of trouble basically. That's what basically saying. You feel me? Yes. Say, may I try to get it? Boom, you're a bad man. They got one party, right? You went to a party. But you know you're at the party, you drinking, chilling, you know you're not supposed to be at the party now. You know that you're not supposed to be at the party. The cops come and lock it down. You started crying, started acting like a kid. You was just acting like a grown-ass man just now at the party, you feel me? But no, the cops came and you changed. You are a minor now. I'm not grown, I'm just a baby, enjoying myself. Yes. So when trouble take your fitness show fit. Basically you act like a kid when you're in trouble. Get it? Get it. Next up on the list, dance a yard before you dance abroad. Basically means make sure you got stuff going on for you in Jamaica before you come to America and dancing. Nah, doesn't mean like that. Dance out before you dance abroad. I can't explain this one. No, dance out before you dance abroad and that's it. Next up, somebody explain down below in the comment section for me real quick, please, and thank you. Y'all gonna live long. Now, Jamaicans say this a lot. Like, for example, I'm here talking about someone, right? And I basically call the person's name, and by the time I could finish the conversation, the person shows up. The first thing we're gonna say, oh, you're gonna live long. I don't believe in it, but Jamaicans do. We all do say. I say too, shit. I'm here talking about you and then boom, you pop up on the blues like, damn, I was just talking about you, where you come from, like, rah, chill. You feel me? So, yeah, you'll live long. You're going to live long, basically, what he's trying to say. You dig. Got more gyms to put on. These are 5 and below glasses. Don't get it twisted. I don't wear glasses, but I Make sure you have a good underwear when you go on the road, just in case you drop down. So make sure you have on a good drawers or a good panty or a good boxers when you're going on the street, because you may just drop down, you may just pass out on the road and someone gotta, you know. So make sure you wear the proper underwear, basically. I've never heard this one before. I ain't gonna cap to you. No, never heard that, never used that one before. One cocoa full basket. Basically say you're saving $1 every day. It's basically going eventually turn to $100. You feel me? Simple. One cocoa full basket, $1 makes $100. Make it up. Example. You get it? Last man reach a body man. So if you're growing up, Jamaicans, yo, you know the chop already, man. You go into the shop, but you have a little brother and your little sister go to the road. No, stop with sister. Your brother, your cousin, and your friend. You understand? Everybody you playing games with, basically. All your homeboys, right? And we going, say, we're not even going to start running. We're driving to the park or somewhere, right? But we all got our own cars. The last man reach a batty man. Basically, we call batty man gay in Jamaica. You feel me? So the last man reach is gay. The last person to reach the park is gay. Now, remember, Jamaicans, really don't really accept the gay community. We don't accept it right now. We don't. So it's like nobody wants to be that person. So everybody like, you feel me? And basically the last person reached it. We make fun of that person. Mammoth. What that? Mammoth and my market, I don't know that one. Fire the Amusmus tail. Yeah, I don't like that one either. I've heard that one before. I can't explain that one to you either. Show me your friends, I'm gonna tell you who you are. Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Everybody knows this one. This is used international. This is not just Jamaican saying. Can't catch quack or catch his shot. Yeah, basically if you're fighting with someone, right? Say you're fighting with my brother, but you can't catch me, my brother. You're gonna catch me, you're gonna kick your ass, basically. You feel me? Dopey no open frightened. Dopey ghost, you understand me? So Dopey knows who to scare, the ghost knows who to scare, basically. That's what it means. Alright, if you want good, your nose have to run. Mom, your mother always tell you this, if you want good, nose have to run. For example, me now on YouTube grind right now. If I want to be successful, I gotta work for it. I gotta work hard for it. Nose have to run basically means your nose have to run. Basically means you have to work hard. Your nose have to run. Run him down, boy. Yeah. You subscribe yet? Are you subscribed yet? Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys want a part 2. I got you all. Okay, I'm gonna leave you all right here. I don't want to make another long video.